So let's talk about what berry has the strongest anti-cancer effects. It's not strawberries, blueberries, or blackberries. It's the bilberry. Out of 10 berries tested, and I'll put the link down below, bilberry rated #1 in its anti-cancer effects. It has the ability to inhibit human leukemia cells. It's a cancer cell of the blood. Also, it inhibits the human colon carcinoma cell in vitro. That means outside the body in some petri dish, versus the other term in vivo, which means testing inside the body. Now, what's so unique about this berry? Well, it has some of the largest amounts of this phytonutrient, anthocyanins, okay? This is the plant-based compound that has one of the greatest free radical scavenging activities of all these phytonutrients. So it kind of mops up free radicals, it cleans them up, it protects the DNA and the cellular machinery. The Greek term anthos means flower, and we have kainos means blue, so blue flower. So this phytonutrient in the bilberry is purple-black, but you have other types of anthocyanins which are pink, red, different colors. So the plant creates these vibrant colors and these chemicals as a survival mechanism. It helps in their defense against microbes, very antimicrobial. It also attracts birds and insects for pollination, so they can eat the berries and then deliver them somewhere else and drop them so they can repopulate. So it's like a way of dispersing their seeds and their reproduction so they can survive as a species. Normally when people think of bilberry, they're thinking of vision improvement. There's not a lot of research on this. It's kind of mixed reviews. Of course, you can't patent this, so you're not going to probably see a lot of research because who's going to spend on the research? Some of the studies that I read that don't show a lot of positive benefit, they're using very, very small amounts as compared to other studies that do show a positive improvement. They're using larger amounts of bilberry. The reason why you would see mixed results with a lot of these studies is that there's certain properties in this berry that are antioxidant in nature. And antioxidants are a protective factor against oxidation. And there's been some really interesting studies on using this for chronic inflammatory conditions, from diabetes, Alzheimer's, and even autoimmune diseases. And so the phytonutrients from this berry decrease the collateral damage that occurs from this chronic health condition. And so there's so many other variables that are going on when you do human studies, especially when you get into cancer. Is the person consuming a lot of sugar? Are they eating junk food? So taking a berry, if you have vision problems or diabetes, or even if you have cancer, honestly, is probably not going to do anything unless you clean up these other factors, which are very, very important. A lot of the herbal extracts and berry extracts are great as an enhancement above the normal things that you should do for these chronic health conditions. Thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple.
We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.